just peel off. Hi, Ryan from CarsAddiction.com. If you've been following me on my channel recently, you've noticed that I jump, 1 week it's on Datsun, and the other week it's on a Porsche. The other week will be building something or whatnot. It's just because I just take you as it goes along. Now, I left you off with building a Porsche steering wheel, which it was on this car. And next online is the grills in the front and the chrono. But before we get to that, small update on the Datsun. We are still waiting for some pads, specific pads, so we don't damage the undercarriage to lift that up. But for today, we'll be showing you some miniatures, and to be exact, the Inno64 brand and how well built they are. Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. Today we'll be reviewing Inno64 models. These are scale 1:64. I just realized they exist, and once I did, I actually bought 3 of them. Really into Honda, so I actually bought only Honda, and my first car was an actual EG9 in this color, so I got 2 of them. One to play around with and see if I can bring it as close as to the car as I had. Now, 1:64 scale is not something I usually go to because details are not so quality wise, can you say that? Yeah, but this is actually spot on. Now, 1:64 for all of you out there is the same size as Hot Wheels. So this is a Hot Wheels and this is 1:64. The thing is with Hot Wheels is they have the exaggerated wheels and the proportions of the car not exact as in real life. But that doesn't matter because this only cost under €3. Whereas this cost me about 26 euros with shipping. It's a bit of expensive model, I might say, for the size, but if the quality is there and you could really customize it as you wish, it should be nice and fun. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's go ahead and open the white one and see what it has to offer. Yeah, it's quite detailed. Not sure if I can focus my camera. There we go. So yeah, all Honda has to be licensed officially. Anything that's not licensed is not sort of legal. Can we say that? Now we have a nice graphic of the car in the back. Does that carry on with the Integra? They're all different. Yes, they are. So yeah, you can see the quality, the amount of money you pay goes actually right into it. So the EG9 is actually the 16 VTEC model twin cam and it's supposed to have rear disc brakes. Yeah, we do have rear disc brakes. Yeah, same spoiler as my car had, logos and everything. This will be nice to do. So we have the model itself. It's a nice casing. We have some spare wheels, what look like to be body club. Got some shafts for the wheels, spare shafts, and we got some decals. These are water-based stickers, so we need water. We actually have carbon fiber decals. That was good. Got the side stripes here. Nice license plate. So we have Japanese license plates, UK. That's good. Another door decals. That's nice. Fender decals. It's really good. So what are these? I think this is just a cardboard. Okay, so this is the model itself. You can see it's really detailed right in there. Okay, and underneath. It's quite cool. So that's that. Okay, let's have a look at the Integra. Okay, so the Integra comes, yeah, we got some decals as well. They're hidden. We wouldn't have known about them otherwise. It's nice. Not as many as the Civic, but good thing I bought many of them. It's nice that they do another card so you can present with it. You could actually put it in here to present with it. It's really nice. Nice touch. And we got a pair of what seems to be spoon wheels. I believe they're SW55. Correct me if I'm not, correct me if I'm mistaken, yeah, in the comments below. Okay, the thing is, I had the Fat 5s on my Civic, which are similar to these. They're not going to be exact, obviously. And I'd love to see them, how they look onto the EG9. So what I'm going to be doing is actually swapping wheels. So the Integra actually will look good with the body clubs anyways. So putting that there. Taking out the wheel. The wheels are really nice. They have a rubber feel to them, and we have colored lug nuts. Yeah, we can focus. We have color red lug nuts, which is nice, and a decal. These are very detailed models. The casing is has a metal touch to it, so that's nice. It's not plastic. The body paint is nice. There's no over paint in some areas. Okay. Make sure we don't lose the screws. And we have the body in hand. Put a link into the description where you can buy these. I know there's various Toyotas as well. I think I'll be actually getting them. Now the car is very similar to what I had. I went ahead and did on my original Civic, the white and red. Although it's not original, I had thought it would give it a cleaner look than the orange and red. And I also had the clear corners as well, and clear sides. I won't be touching this model, but mine had that, just pointing that out. I don't see myself buying a lot of these models. They're very expensive. The good thing about them is they don't take that much space, and they're very customizable. I wish they do make 1:43, which is custom like this. I know they do make 1:24. How it works, they actually went up the roof on prices, so it makes it hard to actually buy them. Still sticking out, but it'll be looking like something like that, which is exactly how my car looked. So time lapse, and let's just get this looking as it should. And there you go. Quite looking nice. I wonder if the lip of the Integra fits on the Civic. That would be like cool. Okay, so my car actually had a carbon fiber hood, and we're going to be cutting out this to fit out with some water. There you go, we got my Inno64 model 1:64. I've done some water decals, carbon fiber hood, license plate, some visor, and if we go to the back, we've got that. Again, here's the Integra version, standard wheels. Come with the lip. So there you go, here's my EG9 Inno64 model, matching my real car, and all is left is putting it back on the stand. If you like this video and want to see more models, any you know, manufacturer or size, just let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I can do any reviews on them. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because later on we'll show you how we lit up this cabinet. Thank you and take care.